Hi everyone. In today's HTML tutorial, we will discuss how to use RGB color. First of all, we will discuss the theory, then we will apply. So there are different ways to apply colors in HTML. So here are some examples: RGB and then hex and then HSL. Now let us discuss the color syntax for RGB. To write the syntax, you first use RGB and the amount of red and then amount of green and then amount of blue. The value ranges from 0 to 255. For the first parameter R or red, you can apply 256 colors because you add 0 and the other 255 values. Similarly for green and blue. Also you can use fourth parameter alpha or A here. Alpha means the amount of transparency. It ranges from 0 to 1. For example, 0.7 can be a value. And because for each parameter we can have 256 values, we can have 256 into 256 into 256 equals more than 16 million values. Now I have already created a page here. The file name is HTML RGB colors. I have already added the head, the title, and then we have body. Inside the body we have a h1 and one paragraph. Now we will apply background color for the body. To apply that, let us copy this part. In this tutorial series I have not discussed deep, but let's not worry about that for now. Just we will need the color values. Here paste it. And now let us apply values. For example, 155 for each. Save. Let us check the output. Double click the file. Here is the output. If you check it, the background color we have applied is here. If you remove this, you see what happened? It becomes white, which is the default background color. We will reload the page to undo the change. Now for H1, let us add another background color. So copy this one and paste, but this time we will change it. For example, here it says red has value. First one is 255, others 0. So here 255 and here 0. So it becomes red. Reload the page. So for H1 we have applied background color. Reload, because this is a block level element, so it is applied throughout the whole white. Now let us check if we can apply opacity. Opacity ranges from 0 to 1. So here we need another parameter. So comma and let's say 0.244. Save. Reload. You see we have now the opacity. So the color is lighter. Before moving over to the other colors here, let us check how we can apply it in another way, easier way. So if you use VS Code, you will have this facility. Other browsers may also have this facility. If you hover over this color, there is a color picker. Here is the opacity 244. If you move, it becomes more red. Here is the opacity and this value is applied here. So it is maximum opacity. Here is the minimum. Here is no color, fully transparent, and here fully opaque. Now let us check the other values. Let us check the white on the top left. It becomes white. So save and reload. So after reloading, previous red background is gone and now we have the white background. Now let us check the black. If you move the cursor over here, it becomes black. All values are 0. Red, green, blue. All three values are 0. For green, the middle one is 255, 255, save. So we have the value here. And if we want to change it, we can move over here. Now let us check the blue. The right one is 255, 0, and here 255. You see the blue. So other values you can generate. Moving this, you can choose color. So I'll choose the pinkish color and use it as a background. Save. Reload. Done. Also I am using the Firefox browser. You can pick color from here. This is background color of the body, and if you choose it here, this is background color of the H1. You can change it like this and also move this, and this is opacity. Now you can copy it This is temporary. You have to apply it on the code, otherwise it will be gone. So reload, it is gone. Now let us apply it on the code. Delete this and paste and save and reload. You see our color is applied. So you can apply in two ways. You can apply from the code, you can apply from the color picker of the Visual Studio Code, or you can test it from here. Choose your color and copy and paste it on your code. That is all for today. Thanks everyone. If you have any question or comment, please let me know. Use the comment section. Thanks. See you later.